Hey guys, this is Joseph Jacone and Rachel Baca with the CQ Real Estate Group powered by Keller Williams Realty. We're over here at our newest listing in Rio Rancho Estates subdivision of Rio Rancho, New Mexico.
We're here at 3305 21st Avenue Southeast. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, about 1942 square feet. Let's go take a look.
One of the things that I really love about this house is it's on a half an acre of property and the home's recessed back far enough to give you privacy from the street. And right as you walk up to the front house, look at that curb appeal.
It is so cute. It has so much character, so much charm.
Yeah.
The depths are different between the front door to the garage to the windows. It's just so welcoming.
Yeah, and it's just like kind of perched on this little hill. So it's like a little home on the hill here. So right as you're walking up, you see you have your side yard access to access the rest of the half acre lot. You see you have the covered carport over your landing pad of your driveway that goes into your 2-car garage. And you have plenty of parking off to the right, off to the left, right upon the front curb appeal of your home. Now, metal roof.
I know.
You have finished soffits.
Love it.
Stucco's in great condition. Windows have been done on this property. The exterior of the home is just built above grade and ready to go.
For sure. And it's also just so warm and welcoming in this kind of front entryway. You have your little brick walkway and then this ivy climbing up the side. It's so charming and so awesome.
It's welcoming.
This house has a full home security system, and the really cool feature is that it has remote lock and unlock. So you're out somewhere, you forget your keys, nobody's home, you call or text and be like, hey, let me in. So as soon as you come in the front door, you are in this widened foyer area, which is a hallway that actually leads over to your kitchen and living area. But immediately off the door is your primary bedroom, so we're actually gonna go check that out first. So once you walk into your primary bedroom, it is a large size, but it has this beautiful arched window which lets in so much natural light. You have a walk-in closet and it leads into your primary suite bathroom as well. Here in your primary bathroom, you have got your huge jetted tub, standing shower, and then a sink that has a lot of space for the counter on the side, so you can have your products here if you need to, extra decor, a little plant. It's really, really beautiful. And you also have a bidet. So through the rest of this widened hallway, you're gonna come into the main living space. So you have your dining, living, and kitchen kind of all connected together. There's a couple of arched throughways, which really just keeps the open concept that flows throughout this area here. Here in the dining area, you do have the detailed crown molding that has the etched grapevine designs. And that leads you right into your living areas. You have these really tall vaulted ceilings, which is awesome.
They're really cool.
Yes, it's much higher up than the rest of the ceiling here in the dining room, so it feels so light and bright and airy. You have a pellet stove in the corner, so it also gives kind of a cozier feel too. And your whole kind of east side of this area is lined in windows. So it's really bright in here. There's a lot of natural light. The windows themselves are also of course, thermal double pane, but they're tilt-in windows, so you can actually clean them very easily too.
I mean, I just love how much this space is just this open concept, great for entertaining or just enjoying your home. It's a cozy space. Coming into the kitchen, you see that there's plenty of cabinet and countertop space. You can see where that J-shaped countertop really faces out for that entertaining opportunity, which is awesome. You have Kenmore and LG appliances. Off to this side of the kitchen, you have an extra space that could be used as a coffee bar. Right alongside, you have a handcrafted cabinet pantry, really great for extra additional space. Right alongside that, you also have the washroom with additional shelving here for additional pantry space. There's also outlets at shelf level, washer and dryer, storage right above, as well as attic access. Attic access is there's a partially finished attic up there with plenty of storage space. So that really just adds to the opportunity that this home has. Let's check out those bedrooms. What do we got, Rachel?
So here in the hallway, you kind of have that same arch throughway that passes through. Behind us here is your first bedroom. And then down the hallway, you have your bathroom, which is a really large size with big counter space. And then bedrooms 3 and 4 are at the back of the home, which would be great for a guest space or for an additional office space.
Yeah, I love how the bedrooms on this side of the home are separate from the primary bedroom and they're kind of tucked away. It's really,
I do as well.
Yeah,
it's a really great setup. The floor plan in this is kind of unique, but it was very well thought out.
It was well thought out. Yeah, it really was. Let's go look at the patio on the side of the house as well as the backyard.
Yep.
And the side yard patio is right offside the living area, so you just have this great space for entertaining. You can sit out here and just enjoy the Sandia Mountains as the sun is setting, and you can see them just lighting up with color as we speak. I can see that.
For sure, and this covered patio is amazing. All of the details on this.
Yeah, the details on it. You got the paved patio space here. Atmosphere just hits. Okay, into the backyard, you have this extra large shed for additional storage space. Also, the back lot is really just left open for the imagination. You have so much room back here
so
to
much
do
space.
whatever you want.
Yep, absolutely. And honestly, on the other side of the shed, you have even less obstruction for the mountain views. So you have a gorgeous view at the back of the lot here.
Yeah, it's actually almost an unobstructed mountain view. This is where I'll put my patio space.
Exactly.
Pretty cool.
Just right here.
Yeah, it's great. Okay, so coming into the two-car garage, you're going to notice it's set up as a workshop, actually. You can see that there's going to be 220-volt electricity in here, as well as plenty of outlets along the walls on either side, which is great. You also have the radiant heating system in here. You've got the double water heaters, which gives you the instant hot inside the home.
Yeah, it's also fully insulated in here,
fully
which is
insulated garage.
awesome, because if you do use it as a workshop space, you are not trying to fight the temperature of the
Absolutely. Or if you want to come out to a comfortable car temperature in the winter, you have it here.
Yes.
Rio Rancho Estates has plenty of outdoor space to enjoy. Hines Park is a popular spot with a wide open space. The community center with the pool, a large playground area, devoted spaces for sports and picnic areas. You will find that it also has a lot of access to stores such as Smith's, Walmart, Big Lots, and Dollar Tree. For shopping and entertainment, you can't go wrong. You have Cottonwood Mall there with plenty of businesses surrounding the place. You have Best Buy, you got Barnes & Noble, you have Chick-fil-A, you have Olive Garden, the list goes on and on.
Thank you guys for joining us on a tour of this home. If you like this home as much as we do and you'd like to see the house in person, please reach out to us and we'll schedule a private tour for you guys.
We are a real estate team here in New Mexico that is passionate about our city and about what the greater area has to offer. Please remember to like, follow, subscribe, and join us on our journey as we discover what Albuquerque and the greater area has to offer.
Let's go.